Hello, this is Brian from GeoPath, and in this video we'll be talking about how to edit a market plan in the Workspace module. In the previous video, I created two different market plans. There are a few different ways that you can actually edit them. Here's the first plan that I ran. One of the different ways that you can edit your plan is by opening this dropdown here and making edits to any of these purple underlined options. So for example, I could edit the number of spots, TRPs, or reach percent to fine-tune my plan even more. Let's say, for example, I wanted to see what the metrics of 25 spots would be for this plan setup. Here you can see my plan is now reflective of 25 spots against the same parameters I was using before. Again, you can edit the spots, TRPs, or reach percent in this same way, and then hit the recalculate button up here. Let's take a look at the other plan from the previous video. Again, just like in the other plan I showed, you can edit on a per media type basis here. So if you wanted to adjust the spots, TRPs, or reach percent of one of your media types, or both, you can do that here. One helpful thing you can use to edit any plan is this parameters option in the top right. By opening this up, you'll see a summary of all of the different parameters applied to your plan, and you have the ability to completely change or remove any of them. So say, for example, I wanted to add a different audience, say 18 to 34. I could do that and add it to my plan as well, and then remove 21 plus or run them both. I could also change my market size or a designation. I can change the number of weeks that this is running for, and I can also change the goals. In this inventory section, you can fully change the media type that's added to your plan as well. It's important to remember, market plans and inventory plans are not static once you run them the first time. You can use this parameters menu to edit any piece of your plan at any point. Once you've made your edits, you can hit regenerate and your plan will rerun.